How to fix Telegram SMS fee problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The newer version of Telegram requires to fill up the SMS fee before getting into Telegram officially. So in order to get rid of that, first things first, what you can do is simply open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Telegram old version and you will see a bunch of options here. So go ahead and tap on any of the option you see here and download the older version of Telegram. As you can see here, you will see different version of Telegram. So scroll down and download the version of 11 point something in order to get rid of the SMS fee error. See if that helps, and if not, then you can also simply go ahead and download different type of VPN and connect yourself to any kind of VPN services and change your location and then try to log yourself in and see if the SMS fee error still occurs. If it still occurs, then what you can do is open Telegram and then tap on the start messaging option. In here, make sure that you are entering your correct number, and just in case if you belong to any region which requires you to enter the SMS fee, then it could be your region, so you can simply change your region and log in with number from some other region. Additionally, you can also open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Telegram in here and make sure that your Telegram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update your Telegram app as Telegram keeps updating their features depending on various version. See if that helps, and if not, then you can also simply open settings on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, scroll down and tap on the Telegram application and then tap on offload app and offload the Telegram app and reinstall the app again. And by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then if you are entering incorrect number and if your phone cannot receive SMS services, then you will not receive the verification code at any cost. So make sure that the number that you entered is active and can receive SMS, and if that does not help you in fixing your issue too, then you can simply contact Telegram support team and then explain them further that you're not being able to remove the SMS fee issue. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Telegram SMS fee problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.